Welcome to today's tutorial. Want to stay in the loop when your favorite Facebook pages broadcast live videos? I'm here to guide you through turning on SMS notifications so you never miss out on the action. Let's dive right in with this updated method. First, open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. It's that blue icon we all know and love. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. You'll typically find these lines in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on them to open up a new menu. Next, you'll need to scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap this option to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select Settings. This is where you can customize your Facebook experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for Notifications and tap it. This section allows you to control how Facebook alerts you about different activities. Once you're in the notification settings, find and tap on Video. Here, you'll see options related to video notifications. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch next to SMS. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. By enabling this, Facebook will send you text message notifications when pages you follow start broadcasting live videos. This ensures you get those important updates directly to your phone. And that's it. You've successfully turned on SMS notifications for live videos on Facebook. Now you'll receive text alerts, making sure you never miss a live broadcast from your favorite pages. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.